friends! We're going to make a fun and festive spring centerpiece today that's super easy, no special crafting skills required. It's really quick. It's going to take us less than 2 minutes to create, and it's really inexpensive. You probably have most of these things around your house already. So let's get started. The first thing that you'll need is a container that's clear. You can use glass or plastic, any size vase that you want. I find the bigger the better because then we can fill it more, but it's totally up to you, whatever you have. You're also going to need some plastic or wooden eggs, and then you're going to need a bouquet of flowers. Now, my family and friends tease me. They like to say that I have a black thumb instead of a green one and that I kill flowers when I look at them. So I'm going with fake flowers. I'm also allergic, so this way they last longer and they don't make me sneeze. If, however, you'd like to use real flowers, you'll need one more supply, which is a container, some kind of a vase filled with water that's smaller than your original container. That will go down inside first so you can put your stems in fresh water, and then we'll cover around it with our vase filler. Our filler today is pink plastic eggs. So I've sorted through several packs that I got at Target, pulling out all the pink ones because they coordinate with my flowers. So we're just going to toss those in the vase. And you can choose, depending on what color flowers you're using, if you want to use all the same color eggs or if you'd rather have some variety. Then you're just going to take your bouquet of flowers, whether they're all together or individual, and you're going to put it down inside and use the eggs to prop them up. So it's that simple, it's that quick and easy. Anybody can do it, and now you have a really pretty and festive spring centerpiece. There are several variations that you can do with this project. You can go for a taller, thinner vase, and you can use branches off of bushes, like a forsythia would look really pretty in here as well. You can fill this with contrasting or matching eggs, and you can see I have a little bit of Easter grass down here in the bottom, just for another texture and color. Another fun use for vase filler is you can use Peeps, those marshmallow candies that everyone either loves or hates at Easter time. You can take those, I recommend the bunnies, and you can line your vase with those as well. You'll see it leaves a hole in the top that's just perfect for you to stick a stem of flowers down inside. One other variation is to start with an Easter candy that's colorful like jelly beans, and then put your Peeps on top, and finally put your stems of flowers inside. All you have to do is choose whatever container you want to use, choose a filler, eggs, Easter grass, Easter candy, or a mixture of all of them, and then put your flowers, either real or faux, inside. Then you have these gorgeous, fun, festive spring centerpieces that can also work really well on end tables or mantles or anywhere else that you want to put them for some fun DIY spring home decor. I hope you enjoyed this project. You can find more photos and more instructions about each of these centerpieces at my website, amylattacreations.com. I also have some outside the basket Easter gift ideas and other seasonal and evergreen projects that I hope you're going to love. So I'll see you there at amylattacreations.com. Happy creating!